Hello everyone, this is Cam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a common issue with the Mitsubishi Outlander Plugin Hybrid, especially when the battery goes flat. So same thing happened to my car. The battery went flat, and I've obviously started with the jump starter, and I've charged it up fully through one of the connectors there, and then it came up with a warning saying engine started to maintain the fuel system. So I thought, okay, leave it running for a while, it should be okay, but it wasn't. Problem I was having was I've fully charged the battery, the actual hybrid battery, so it should run on electric rather than fuel like the actual petrol engine, but it wasn't. The engine wasn't going off, so engine was running plus the electric power. I went for a drive, about 10-15 miles drive, nothing happened. Not 10-15 miles, about 5 miles probably, but it was still, engine wasn't going off, and the battery was showing is fully charged. So I'm gonna show you step by step how to fix that problem. So before I do that, guys, make sure, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon next to it to get notified every time I upload a new video. So please do this now, and I'll see you guys in 15 seconds. Welcome back everyone. So I'm obviously not near the car now because I've actually fixed the problem. So I'm going to tell you what to do. So you don't need to go to any main dealers, you don't have to spend thousands of pounds. So you can do it by yourself. So all you need to do, you have to make sure you go over 15 liters of petrol in your car. So to be in the safe side, just put about 20 liters. So that's what I did. I put petrol in it, about 20 pounds worth of petrol, which is about 16-17 liters, and it fixed the problem by itself. So basically what happens when the battery goes flat, and obviously it's the electric car, so the ECU or the brain of the car gets confused. So when the petrol is low, obviously that's what it does. It keeps saying engine started to maintain the fuel system, but when you've got enough petrol in it, so you should be perfectly fine. So try that. Let me know in the comment below if it helped you. If it did, make sure, don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon next to it to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you.